Hi, portfolio. How you guys doing? So I want to go through these requirements because they're a little detailed, and I want to make sure that nobody misses anything. Um, so this is week one and two, and this is assignment three. And basically, what we're doing here is we're going to compile all of the work that is required in the portfolio. How do we know what's required in the portfolio? There's two things that you need um, to have in front of you. Okay. Now, if we go back into the week one, of course, you're going to read everything here because otherwise, not much is going to make sense. But the two links I really want to draw your attention to are portfolio evaluation and audit and what to include. Okay. So for week one dash two, assignment three, week one and two, assignment three, you have these requirements. You're going to compile all of your work, okay? And you're going to take a look at the requirements list, and you're going to go through all of your work, and you're going to compile it all, and we're going to take a look at it, and we're going to see what we can use and what we can't use and how we can fix what we can. Okay, so let's go over here to portfolio. Well, let's go to what to include first. And either one of these links is going to open whatever your major is, digital design degree or associate's degree. And what you'll do is you'll click that and it'll open, for instance, I've got the associate's degree requirements list open, okay? And you can see it's section 1, section 2, section 3, and they all have a name: personal identity, section 2, collateral design, section 3, thumbnails, process book. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to go to the same week, all right, the link right underneath what to include says portfolio evaluation and audit. And you want to download this link right here that says the portfolio audit form. This is very important. When you download it, this is what you're going to have. You're going to have these requirements, which correspond to your list over here, okay? And it gives you the weeks that they're due. Now, don't worry about this because I'll guide you through week by week what is going to be due that week, okay? So this is for your reference as well, but please don't worry. I'm just not going to leave it in the water and say, okay, let's go. This is it. I'll go through this every week with you. So, for example, during week 1 and 2, we can see that we have two things due. We have collateral design applications and thumbnail process book, okay? That's what's due week 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to our collateral design applications and see what is included in those. And we can see these are the choices. There's 6 here. You need to include 5. When you do include these, you'll say this, okay? You'll label it like this. Collateral, section 2, collateral design dash brochure, okay? Section 2, collateral design dash direct mail. For the poster, section 2, dash collateral design, or section 2, collateral design dash poster, okay? For the DVD, section 2, collateral design dash CD/DVD. Okay, that's how you would label each piece. That's critical because I need to know what we're looking at. Then for your section 3, you'll include your thumbnails process book, and you'll just label it just like that. Section 3, thumbnails process book. All right, so that is how you correspond this stuff to the requirements list. Now, I want to go to this assignment, week 1 assignment, or week 1, 2, assignment 3. And I want you to see that this is, it's kind of congested right here because there's 2 things that we're going to do. And don't worry, I've got a list for you here, a checklist. So what you want to do is you want to say, okay, for this assignment, you're going to compile all of your work. And that's what it says here, using portfolio requirements, portfolio audit form creating for this assignment. Follow the steps of properly critique audit your body of work. That means you're checking all of your work to find pieces that are representative of this entire list. Okay? now you're gonna compile all of those, everything that you can find. Now you have a while to do it. I mean, that's why we're going to get on this early in week 1, because you have till the end of week 2 to do this. But you want to compile all of your work. Okay, this is where it gets important. Once you've shown all of your work in this format right here, PDF 8 by 10 portrait or landscape featuring all your pieces. Okay, at that point, you're going to show me all your work. At that point, I am going to take just week 1 and week 2 work. That's your collateral design pieces and your thumbnails and process book, and I'm going to critique those. Okay, then you will have these delivered on Friday. I'll critique by Friday, Saturday, and you'll have till Sunday to make the adjustments. It's not going to be anything major. It's going to be things like alignment and color choices, okay? And if it's something major, we'll give you time to do it. All I'm saying is that they'll just follow this guideline, timeline. So Sunday, you'll have everything from week 1 and 2 submitted, okay? And that will be out of the way. Then we'll move to week 3 and week 4, okay? Excuse me. Again, to summarize, what you're going to do for this assignment, week 1 and 2, assignment 3, is you're going to collect all of your work, and you're gonna follow your requirement sheet and find every piece that is going to be representative of all of the requirements on this list. Okay, you're going to compile all of it in a 8 by 10 multi-page PDF, and label the pieces accordingly, okay? So I know what I'm looking at. That's critical. At that point, I will take thumbnails process book and collateral design, and I will comment on that, return your comments by Saturday or so. Hopefully you can have your edited and adjusted pieces back in by Sunday night before week 3 and 4 start, okay? Hope that makes sense. If not, please get with me for any questions at all. Okay, thanks.